paano nyo i-explain halimbawa for sa isang
Yung
guest
si Ma'am Cha.
kapag tinanong niya, for example, na yung pinikpikan is, di ba pinapalo na chicken ito, no, to death, no? Some of them probably would like to see it as an unethical way of killing or preparing the chicken. So paano nyo i-explain yun dun sa guest, for example?
So, I think we should, gagawin namin is, we're going to really explain kung paano talaga yung paggawa and yung mga ingredients and seasonings sa chicken bounty.
And also, ginagawa na namin ito noon because it's our tradition. Kasi, for example, dadayo sila dito sa lugar natin and they wanna know about the traditional way how to butcher a chicken. Yun na lang po yung explain namin kasi may valuable lesson rin po sa kanila.
Okay, thank you very much, Silverwood and Benguet MSMEs. Ngayon, excited na ba kayo sa next participants natin? Okay, naku partner, mukhang mabubusog na talaga ang ating mga judges ngayon. Okay, now let us introduce our next participants for today with their menu of cabbage roll in siningtiman soup by University of the Cordilleras by Chef Joyce Pirang and Ruben Jasmine Paran. Let us give them a round of applause.
Next up, we have What Steak with tapoy sauce from Punchy Palette Gastropub. Let us welcome Hailey Clarice Canica. Okay, so get ready.
You are given 15 minutes to prepare your dish and present to our judges.
So your 15 minutes starts now.
May signal ka ba?
Nakalive ako.
Umiinit yung cellphone.
Mainit eh.
Oo.
For the information of everyone, to your left side is our competitors from the University of the Cordilleras, and to your right side is our competitors from Punchy Palette Gastropub. The entry of University of the Cordilleras cabbage roll in siningtiman soup is a tapoy. A staple in the Mountain Province is not just consumed as a beverage. The rice grains used during fermentation are also eaten. These fermented rice grains are taken out from the earthen jars and used as ingredients for cooking. For instance, the traditional siktim or siniktiman can be meat-based, fish-based, or snail-based dishes that utilize fermented grains and tapoy to create a savory broth packed with umami. Our modern take on siktim is a dish consisting of rice wrapped in cabbage leaves. The savory broth is made using aged tapoy and freshwater fish, which is reduced to a jus. This will gently baste the cabbage roll, and the dish is presented with a succulent slice of fish finished with a tapoy glaze.